Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you how to take a continuous screenshot using the Scrollshot option. Okay, so first of all, you will need to turn on the Scrollshot option because by default when you first get the phone it is switched off. So to turn on Scrollshot, just simply pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down and look for accessibility features. Select it, then select accessibility up here at the top. Then scroll down, and here you will see Scrollshot. So by default, like I mentioned, it's switched off. Go ahead and select it, then turn on the toggle to turn on Scrollshot, then hit OK. And now you're good to go. Okay, so here it explains how Scrollshot works. So Scrollshot can create a screenshot for long pages by stitching different page sections together. Okay, so this is very useful for web pages. So I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. So I'm just going to open up Google and select Amazon UK. And now that I'm on the website, let's just say I'm planning on buying my grandma a new Samsung Galaxy phone. And as you all know, there's loads of different Samsung Galaxy phones on the market. So she might not be sure which one she wants. So what I could do is I could just type in Samsung Galaxy phones, and when the long list of Samsung Galaxy phones pop up with all the different Samsung phones, I could just take a scrollshot by selecting this little tab here, then select scrollshot, and it will take a screenshot, well, a long continuous screenshot of the entire web page. As you can see, it's taking scrolling screenshot. And if you want to stop it at any time, just touch anywhere on the display and it will stop it. And as you can see, the screenshot has now been taken. The long continuous scrollshot screenshot has been taken. Scrollshot screenshot. It's been taken. And from here, I could just simply share it with my grandma via TikTok, Bluetooth, Google Drive, whatever, Gmail. And she can just have a look and see which one of the phones she wants. You can also edit it as well with all the different editing options down here at the bottom. And once you've finished editing it, you can just simply save it and then view it in the gallery. So like I said, once I send this screenshot to my grandma, she can view which one she wants, and then she can say, grandson, I want the Samsung Galaxy A53 or the Samsung Galaxy S23. Nah, grandma, I'm not spending £849 on a phone for you. No way, Jose. But anyway, you understand what I'm saying, guys. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thought I'd share this with you all on how to take a continuous screenshot using the Scrollshot option on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.